Hello! Okay, so it's November 2nd, which means it's day 2 of my NaNoWriMo 2019 challenge. I said it right! Stick around to the end of the video because I have a little announcement that I want to share with you guys, so just stay there. Pretty good day today, 1,349 words, so I'm really happy with it. Not as good as yesterday's amazing 3,044 words, but it's still better than 500 words. If you wrote 500 words, that's better than 250. If you wrote 250, that's better than 10. If you wrote only 10 words today, that's better than nothing. And that's the most important part of NaNoWriMo. Which brings me to the whole point of today's video. So, I just want to talk about why NaNoWriMo is so important and how to look at it the right way so you're not holding yourself back. NaNoWriMo is not taking an idea and bringing it to a fully written novel in 30 days. That's definitely possible, but that's not what NaNoWriMo is. NaNoWriMo is taking your idea and getting 50,000 words out of a book, out and written and done, that you can come back to and edit in December and January and February and all those months after. NaNoWriMo is not finishing a book completely. NaNoWriMo is getting something that you can prepare and finesse and carve it out. The famous Renaissance, or Renaissance, depending on where you're from, the famous artist Michelangelo said when he was carving statues from marble that he saw it, the block of marble, as the thing, and what he was doing is chipping away the extra to free it. And that's what writing really is to me, anyway. It's taking your manuscript, your block of marble, and then going, this chapter can go away, and this character makes no sense, and maybe I could fine-tune this bit here, and then you have David. The whole point is to edit it later. It is not editing now. So as you're writing, if you look back up the screen or a page or however you're doing it, and say to yourself, oh yeah, I don't like the word laughed there, I'm going to replace it with the word chuckled. If you're doing that, you're wasting your time. That is writing, yeah, but that's not NaNoWriMo. NaNoWriMo is hammering those words out so you can edit them later. It's not perfection. So don't worry about being perfect. Don't even worry about it being good. Just worry about it being there. You want your rough block of marble so that you can so that later you can come and chisel away the excess words, polish off those really nice characters, and finesse it into a really well-written novel. And that's the whole point of NaNoWriMo. Before I go and continue on to my exciting announcement, I want to say a quick hello to a friend of mine who texted me today saying that he is going to take part in NaNoWriMo because of the videos that I've been making, which is kind of cool. So there's going to be one more book in the world. Whether you do anything with it or not, my dear friend, it's still a book, you're still creating, and it's great. So I'm really looking forward to that heavy metal science fiction fantasy book. That's going to be interesting. There's a car beeping inside. How rude. And then finally, on to my exciting announcement. So, tomorrow, November 3rd, 2019, Sunday, my novel, The Longest Night, is going to be totally free to download on the Kindle store all over the world. So if you're looking for a free book that's really good, I swear, go to the Kindle store on Sunday, November 3rd. It's also going to be free on November 4th and November 5th. So it's going to be free for 3 days in a row. So make sure to get a good look at it. And if you do manage to download it and read it, please, the one thing you can do more than anything else to support me as an author is to review the book, give it a little rating. You don't even have to write a full review. You can just click 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 stars. Anything along those lines would really, really help, and I'd be really, really grateful for it. But anyway, that's enough for today. So, 2 quick things. One, let me know either in the comments on this video or on Twitter or on Instagram or in any way you can contact me at all. Let me know what genre of book you're writing. I found it really interesting that my friend I mentioned earlier was writing a heavy metal science fiction fantasy book. 3 genres that I never thought were able to be combined, but he's going to do it. If anyone's going to do it, it's going to be him. So let me know what genre you're writing. I'd love to know. Also, don't forget to keep on writing, and the only person who can tell your story is you. Bye.